Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I'm excited to share with you guys yet another product for your home. And today I'm going to share with you guys a brand new, I'm not even sure if this is released yet, it's an aromatherapy slash humidifier for your home. And I've never used a humidifier before, at least not for many years, maybe 35 years. I think I remember maybe having one as a kid. And what a humidifier does is, if you're unfamiliar with that, it basically blows moisture into the air. And with this particular one, you can add different essential oils to give you that aromatherapy. And I've never used anything quite like this before, and I've been using it for the last couple nights. And I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed with it. I really like it, and it's something that I use every night now. You know, I'm a big fan of anything that could give you a better night's rest. So whether it be by putting essential oils, and you know, there's no medical you know, proof that essential oils will improve anything in your life, but there's a lot of different write-ups. A lot of people swear by this stuff. This is my first experience actually using essential oils. So the first part of this setup that they send me is their pack of their essential oils. And in this here, you get lavender oil, you get orange peel oil, peppermint leaf oil, tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, and lemongrass leaf oil. And I've been experimenting with some of these over the last couple days, and this is what they look like here. And basically pretty straightforward. You fill the apparatus with water. You put as much of the drops of the oil into the water. I didn't have to put much. For the reservoir, and I'll show you the device just a second here, for the amount of water that this thing holds, I really only put like maybe 2 or 3 drops of each one that I wanted to mix together. And it was a great experience. I slept really well that night, or in the last couple nights. And I just feel like it provides a nice aroma in the room. And you can look up a lot of these different essential oils. There's all kinds of videos on YouTube stating what each oil does and what they could possibly be used for as far as the health benefits. So everybody's gonna have a different opinion on that, whether they use these things or not. Some folks say that they ingest oils. I would be very careful on anything that you put into your body. Using it in a diffuser is one thing, but some folks are really swear by this stuff. So just disclaimer, don't eat this stuff, okay? So add it to the diffuser. So a little bit about the diffuser. This one's called the Dual 100, and basically you have a top fill design. Let me just show you the box first here. You guys know I never really get too into the box, but you know, there it is. That's about it really. On the box, you just have some information. Infuse the air with the Dual 100's top fill design. Makes it easy to add water and essential oils. You have, again, aromatherapy, quiet operation, intelligent sleep mode, and it says here, you'll hardly notice the Dual 100 as it works double duty to dispense mist and diffuse essential oils. In addition to quiet operation, it's a minimalist design, making it seamlessly fit into your home. You get basically you get the user manual, the box, the power supply, and the diffuser. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out here. So this is the device right here. I always find that a lot of these new products, they look like giant Google Homes. You know, too bad they don't make a Google Home this large. This thing would bump, right? All right, so you have your power on the front here, your sleep mode, and of course your status lights. So this is your fan level basically. And what you do is you basically just pop the top off. If you want to just fill it, leave it on. You just pop the top off, fill with water. There is a max fill line. Add your essential oils, put the cap on, turn it on, and you're good to go. This thing instantly comes on, super fine mist. And what's really interesting about it, like, it was pretty cool coming out of here. It's almost had like an air conditioning effect. I'm not really sure if it does change the temperature in the room. I assume it would based on where you live. If you live in an area that's extremely dry, adding humidity is perfect into your home. You always want to be careful with humidity as well, because you don't want to over humidify your house. That can lead to mold and those kind of things. Where I live, it's not a problem at all. They do recommend that you use distilled water. I just use regular tap water. I'll see how long I get out of this by doing it that way, but they do recommend using distilled water to help prevent any kind of, I believe, scale buildup. As far as the way to clean it, if you wanted to, you pop the top off here, the reservoir, and then underneath here is all the apparatus which makes this thing work. Looks like a float of some sort, and where it actually diffuses or produces the mist. It is ultrasonic, so this thing doesn't, I believe this thing works differently than a lot of the older school humidifiers from back in the day. It's really quiet, you don't even hear it on. And you know, this is something that even if you're not even really interested in the humidifying effects here, and just so you know, the humidity comes right out of there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down for a second here. even if you're not really getting it for just the effects of the humidity, if you're looking for just a great diffuser, this is fantastic. And that's mainly what I'm going to use it for. You know, it's something you could add to the kitchen. You could, you know, to provide a lot of nice aroma in your house, you know, especially kitchens, you're cooking and stuff like that. I think this is just a great product. I'm really glad they were nice enough to send this to me, and I want to thank them again for their generosity again in sending me a product to review and share with you guys. I'm sold by it. I wish I could tell you a little bit more about it. I really kind of hit the main points here, going right off the website here, which I will put a link in the description. I believe this will be available on Amazon, and I am working on getting you guys a discount code if you want to pick it up. I don't have the price point right now. They didn't send me the link and I wasn't able to find it on Amazon. I went directly to their store and they have a 0 price point on it. So I'm not really sure if they're out of stock or that just this isn't released yet, but keep checking back to the video, click the link, and I'm sure it'll be available at a later date. So like I said, you get the best of both worlds, humidifier and aromatherapy. And again, 3 mist levels. It's a fine mist. You'll hardly notice, it says. And they recommend, or some of the things that they say will, I guess the benefits of this particular device. They say it will treat allergies. Again, this is all, again, do your research as always. Easy fill your water tank with essential oils with the humidifier, of course. Its powerful mist output creates stronger aromas to spread efficiently. It says you can use it in the office, cycle between low, medium, and high mist levels, create the right amount for your environment. So maybe you don't want to necessarily put a lot of moisture into the air, but you want to have those aromatherapy benefits. You can put it on low and you'll still have that. And of course, they say you can use it in a nursery as well. Of course, always consult a doctor before anything you're putting next to a child. As far as power rating, it draws 24 watts, which isn't too bad. That's one thing that with all the smart home tech and electronics that I have, my power bill is always over $100 a month. And when I use my hot tub a lot more, it peaks to like 125, 130. Again, that depends on the time of year and how much I use the hot tub. But even just keeping the hot tub, like I haven't used it for a couple days because my wife's stereo over that with my pergola. It's just a mess. I have to clean it up, so I don't want to open the tub with all these leaves, you know, fall into the tub. Give me more work than I necessarily need. But one thing I am always concerned with is how much power things draw. So I'm all about efficiency. So this only draws 24 watts. It's a 1.8 liter water tank. Noise level is less than 28 dB. And I can tell you, you can barely even hear this thing on. And effective range, it says 107 to 260 square feet. So not going to be something that you would necessarily use to actually add a lot of humidity into a large room, but for a bedroom, that's definitely sufficient. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys, if you're interested or in the market for a diffuser or a humidifier, I definitely encourage you to check this one out. I'm pretty impressed by it. I slept really well with this thing next to the bed. I used actually, the first time I tried this, I used the tea tree oil and the eucalyptus leaf oil, and that provided kind of a nice, almost like respiratory clearing effect, I found. So definitely check it out. I will put the links again to their website, and I'll double check to make sure that the essential oils are not on Amazon yet, but keep checking back. I will come back and review this product again at a later date. I'd recommend, guys, if you're looking to add something to your bedroom to maybe help yourself sleep, you know, like I said, I have the air filters going in there. I have the bed jet. Now I got the humidifier, the aromatherapy, and you know, I mean, sleep is just, again, where you recover. I'm always looking for something to improve the quality of my sleep. So I definitely encourage you guys to check it out. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to ask. I'm always next to my phone, ready to go to help you guys out. If you do make a purchase, please do it through my links. It does help to support the channel. And we're almost at 13,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support, and thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I enjoy doing this. I love sharing all these cool products with you guys. Stay tuned for more watch reviews. I got a whole slew of INVICTAs here. I just been sick for the last couple of weeks, or last week I was sick. So I'm trying to get back on track here. So stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great evening. Take care.